Hey guys, so today I'm going to briefly be talking to you about units of capacity in the metric system. So you are already pretty familiar with the big G, and that is customary units, so like pints, cups, quarts, gallons, those types of things. But we're not as familiar with metric, which is liters and milliliters. So today, your Google Forms assignment is about liters and milliliters, and I'm going to show you a quick trick to be able to convert back and forth, because otherwise it seems hard, but it's really not. So here we go. As we know, 1 liter is 1,000 milliliters. So think milliliters, little tiny ones. There are 1,000 of these in one of these. And whenever we write the abbreviation for milliliter, the M is lowercase, the L is uppercase. It's just how it always is, okay? Moving on from that, I have written down 2 sample questions for you. There are a couple ways you can go about solving these conversions, but there is a trick that makes it very, very easy. Okay, so here we go. Let's do this one. 15 liters is how many milliliters? Now we know that we are going to multiply this by 1,000, right? Because there are 1,000 of these little guys in here. So if you were to do 15 times 1,000, you would ultimately be getting 15,000, right? Well, an easier way that you could do this without having to multiply everything out would be take your 15, move your decimal point 3 places to the right. You're still getting 15,000, and you didn't even have to multiply. You just had to move your decimal point over. Anytime you're going from liters to milliliters, you're going to move your decimal point to the right. Okay? So anytime you are starting out with the bigger measurement, liters are bigger than milliliters, there's going to be more milliliters, so you're going to have a bigger number. So that means you need to move to the right. This question is the opposite. We're going from the smaller measurement, milliliters, to liters, which is the bigger one. So if you had 140 milliliters, how many liters is that? We could divide it out, but we don't even have to do that. All you have to do is move your decimal point 3 places to the left. So remember, it's always here. We just don't always write it. 1, 2, 3. So put your decimal point here. This is how many liters are 140 milliliters. 0.140 or 14 thousandths, right? Okay, so it's very, very easy. And if it takes you a few times to get the hang of it, you can always rewatch this video. Remember, liters to milliliters, you move 3 to the right. Milliliters to liters, you move 3 to the left. And remember, your decimal point is always secretly on the end of the number. We just don't always write it. It's always right there, okay? Liters to milliliters, right, milliliters, liters, left. If you know that trick, it's very easy, and your assignment will come very easy to you. Good luck, and let me know if you have any questions.